Today we're talking LPX and the 4 features that make it the go-to for an equipment trailer in the construction industry. Number 1 is the HD V-tongue lid, extended deck space on top with massive storage space inside. Number 2 is the low profile I-beam frame construction, which is a Diamond C original. Number 3, this one has the 102 wide max width option, which gives you an extended deck space across the trailer, as well as 3/16 super heavy duty drive over fenders, making this trailer extremely versatile for the different equipment or vehicles you need to haul. Number 4 is the X ramp. Matches very well with that 102 wide package, giving you ultimate versatility in the loading surface for a stable, safe loading experience. To view more features and options that the LPX has to offer and to learn more, jump on diamondc.com.